John Andrew Mara. John Andrew Mara, July 21, 1840, February 11, 1920, was a Canadian merchant, rancher, and a politician at both the provincial and federal levels. Mara was elected to the Legislative Assembly of British Columbia in the province of British Columbia. He sat in the provincial legislature as the member from Yale. He ran for election as well as sat as both government and opposition. This was before political parties were allowed in the House. Federally, Mara was a Conservative and was twice acclaimed as a Member of Parliament in the federal riding of Yale before being defeated by Hewitt Bostock in the 1896 election in the new riding of Yale Cariboo. Mara's greater claim to fame or infamy is the alleged seduction and pregnancy of Annie McLean, the sister of the wild McLean Boys. The McLeans were the half-bred children of the former HBC factor at Kamloops, Donald McLean, who had died in the Chilcotin War. Mara's alleged outrage of their sister led to the McLean brothers' bloody rampage across the Nicola Country and the death of provincial magistrate and gold commissioner Johnny Ussher. Mara owned the large ranchlands between Enderby and Sikamis where the Okanagan and Shuswap countries meet. Mara Mountain east of the original ranch and Mara Lake south of Sikamis bear his name. Today, Mara Lake Provincial Park on Mara Lake is now a popular tourist destination during the summer months. The village of Mara still exists south of Mara Lake along the Shuswap River. Mara's wife Alice was the daughter of Frank Barnard, founder of the Barnard's Express Company or BX. Her brother, and therefore Mara's brother-in-law, was Sir Francis Stillman Barnard, 10th Lieutenant Governor of British Columbia 1914–1919.